Multiple income streams for beginners. How to start from zero. Imagine this. Matthew had a good job, a stable salary, and a normal life. But one day, his company downsized. Within minutes, his only source of income disappeared. Bills didn't stop. Rent didn't stop. Life didn't stop. That day, Matthew learned a lesson most people learn too late. Depending on one income is the riskiest financial decision you can make. In this video, I'll show you how beginners can build multiple income streams step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Why one income is dangerous. Most people follow the same financial path. Study, get a job, work for 30 to 40 years, retire. But here's the problem. If that one income stops, everything collapses. Rich people understand something different. They don't depend on one income source. They build multiple streams of income. In fact, most millionaires have 5 to 7 income streams. The goal is simple. Make money from different sources, so your life doesn't depend on one paycheck. After Matthew lost his job, he struggled for months. But instead of going back to the same life, he decided to change something. He asked himself one simple question. What if I never depend on one income again? So Matthew started building his second income stream. At first it was small, very small, but it changed everything. Income stream number 1, your primary income. Your first income stream will usually be your job or main business. This income pays your rent, food, bills, daily expenses. But here is the important rule. Your primary income should fund your future income streams. Instead of spending everything, start investing part of it to build more income. Income stream number 2, side income. Matthew started a small side hustle online. He worked on it just 1 hour every day. In the beginning, he earned almost nothing, but slowly, 500, 2,000, 5,000, it started growing. Few examples of beginner side incomes include freelancing, online content creation, selling digital products, tutoring or coaching. The goal is not immediate success. The goal is building another income source. Income stream number 3, investment income. Once Matthew started earning extra money, he did something smart. Instead of upgrading his lifestyle, he started investing, because investments create passive income. Examples include stock market investing, mutual funds, dividend stocks, real estate. This is where money starts working for you. Over time, this income grows without trading your time. The power of multiple streams. 5 years later, Matthew's income looked very different. Instead of one income source, he had one job income, one online side hustle, one investment income. Now imagine this situation. If one income stops, the other two still support his life. That is the power of multiple income streams. It creates financial security and freedom. Beginner action plan. If you're just starting, follow this simple plan. Step 1. Focus on your main income. Step 2. Start one small side income. Step 3. Invest a portion every month. Step 4. Let compound growth work over time. Remember this. You don't need 5 income streams today. Start with just one extra stream. The conclusion is, most people spend their entire life chasing one paycheck. But financially smart people build systems that generate income. Because the goal is not to work forever. The goal is to make money work for you. Start small. Start today. And slowly build your multiple income streams. If you want to learn more about building wealth, smart money habits, financial freedom, subscribe to Rich Habit Academy. Because small habits today create big wealth tomorrow.